Planning your kid's next birthday celebration? Why not try something different? Tara sa Clark! We'll share some kid-friendly spots we've personally tried na for sure may enjoy ng kids nyo. So stay till the end. We booked our 3 days 2 nights stay here at T Heights Condo via Airbnb. This listing exceeded our expectation kasi kompleto and malawak ang studio unit na to. We really had a comfy stay and sobrang dali mag-check-in and check-out. Our first stop, Dino Island. We bought our ticket via ClookUp. Magaganda yung displays. Sulit especially if dino lover yung kid nyo. Heads up lang, motion sensitive yung dinos. When we got close, bigla sila nag-roar. Nagulat tuloy si Bagets. Ayun, nawala na sa mood. So hindi na namin na-enjoy yung safari and show. Sa una pa naman, sobrang saya niya talaga. So naglakad-lakad na lang kami sa iba pang attractions like Insectlandia. Next up, QRI Kids Cafe. Ito yung rates nila. Habang kumakain, si Bagets busy maglaro. Ang aesthetic ng place, super bait ng staff, and ang daming play areas depende sa interest ng kids nyo. Plus points pa, mayat maya sila naglilinis so hindi magulo. The next day naman, we visited the Clark Parade Grounds Children's Playground. Dito nag-enjoy din talaga ang bata. Ang lawak ng play area so takbo dito, takbo doon. Libre lang to kaya sulit. May picnic areas din and madaming kainan kapag nagutom kayo. Dito nga kami kumain sa The Barn by Contis. Madami din nagja-jogging dito lalo na sa gabi. And on our last day, we visited Valley Cafe and Resto. Katabi lang siya ng playground. Dito naman, need nyo umorder. Then kids can access the play area. Sobrang enjoy din talaga ng Bagets dito. Masarap din ang food nila na pwede nyong ma-enjoy habang nagbabantay sa mga bata. So ayun, remember, birthday nila to. So sila ang bida. Kaya naman choose experiences that will truly make them happy. Kaya if you're